Hello everyone, welcome to Capsule. Today we are going to learn about an online earning, that is money earning website, which is beneficial for both students and the teachers who teach them. For students, it helps in earning more knowledge or gaining more knowledge, and for faculty, it helps them improve their knowledge to teach better to the students. Students can earn money without distraction from their studies with this website. They learn and earn at the same time. Do you know about Chegg? Yeah, today we are going to discuss about Chegg. This is the online earning money platform. It is an online tutoring service and it is a US based company which gives money for answering questions. So we get money, we get knowledge. It's a double dhamaka offer. Become a subject expert with Chegg. So the we get money for answering questions related to a subject. So we earn money by answering simply the questions asked by them. How to become an expert? It's very simple. Just sign up with your details, like the name, the email ID, and your phone number. While signing up the details, you should choose a subject to answer the questions. Then take up the online screening. It consists of two tests, a subject related test and a guidelines test. In the subject related test, you will be getting 12 questions. You must score at least 70% to pass the test. And then out of 20 questions in guidelines, you must answer at least you correct answers for 18 questions. The guidelines test is easy. You can download the guidelines, read it thoroughly, and then you can perform the test. There is no time limit for this test. You can answer how long you want, but you should pass. For a subject you have only 2 attempts, and for the guidelines you have 3 attempts in which you must pass the test. Then the next step is verification, in which you are going to add your personal details and bank details along with PAN card. You must have your PAN card and you must submit your own bank details and PAN card number, or else your application will not be verified. Then you will get an email that you are selected for Chegg. After signing up,
The
you will get
subjects
an email
available
to
in Chegg.
complete the remaining
You can
steps,
choose the among these subjects.
that is performing the test and then filling the verification details and submitting the application. These are the subjects available for us. For pharmacy students, it is better to choose anatomy and physiology, chemistry, or biology. These subjects are good. We can answer better when compared to other subjects. And at Chegg, they follow strict guidelines, and the guidelines must be followed correctly, or else our account will be revoked. Once revoked, you cannot join in Chegg in your lifetime. We should maintain following our guidelines, and you should maintain a better CF score. There is a CF score will be given, and the students also rate your answers based on the rate. You should maintain a good CF score, and your answer should be of good quality. Then only you get good ratings from the students. If you got negative rating, your CF score is less than 70%, there is a chance for revocation of your account. And you should not copy paste answers in Chegg Q&A. If you copy paste, it is a wrongful act leading to revocation of account. They call it plagiarism. At Chegg, always submit quality answers. Follow detailed guidelines. I can't say explain all the guidelines in this video. Please follow the Chegg guidelines at the time of writing the test. Best of luck for all. Guys, I forgot to say the main thing. How much do you earn at Chegg? You can earn as much as you want. The more the questions you answer, the more you get. For each answer, you get 100 plus. That is, you can get 100 RS for each question or more, based on the subject and the quality of answer you submit. The more you answer, the more you get. You can get earn maximum up to 5 to 10,000 a month. If you are a average student, if you are well equipped with well knowledge, and that too for teachers, for them it easy to make more than 10,000 a month. So this is the best option available online. So don't wait anymore. Go and join the check. There are limited seats available at check.